Hey there, welcome back to Dude's Tech. If you have been searching for the best OBD2 automotive scanner to keep your car running smoothly and avoid surprise warning lights, you are in the right place. Today, we are checking out a powerful and easy-to-use diagnostic tool that gives you deep insight into your vehicle. This is the Launch CR629 OBD2 Automotive Scanner. Let's get started. The Launch CR629 OBD2 Automotive Scanner is designed to help you understand what is really happening inside your car. It goes beyond basic engine checks and gives you enhanced OBD2 capabilities. With this device, you can monitor engine performance along with ABS and SRS systems. That means you can check not only the engine, but also important safety systems like anti-lock braking and airbags. This gives you a more complete picture of your vehicle's health. One of the most impressive features of the Launch CR629 OBD2 Automotive Scanner is its active test function. This allows the scanner to communicate directly with your vehicle's control modules. It can send and receive data to make sure different components are working correctly. Instead of just reading problems, it helps you confirm if systems are responding the way they should. The scanner also provides full ABS and SRS system diagnosis. You can read version information from control units, retrieve diagnostic trouble codes to find out what is wrong, and clear those codes after repairs. Clearing the codes helps reset warning lights on your dashboard so you know when issues have truly been fixed. Another strong feature of the Launch CR629 OBD2 Automotive Scanner is its live data stream function. You can view real-time information such as coolant temperature, MAP value, TPS value, vehicle speed, mass airflow, ambient temperature, and engine RPM. This live data helps you analyze performance in detail and understand how your car behaves while running. The device is built with a clear 3.5-inch display that makes information easy to read. The screen shows data in a simple and organized way, so you do not feel overwhelmed. It also supports multiple languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, Japanese, and Italian. This makes it accessible for many users around the world. In addition to diagnostics, the Launch CR629 OBD2 Automotive Scanner includes an oil reset function. After changing your oil, you can reset the maintenance reminder to keep your service schedule accurate. This small feature is very helpful for proper vehicle maintenance. Overall, the Launch CR629 combines powerful diagnostic tools, real-time monitoring, and user-friendly design in one compact device. It helps you stay informed and confident about your car's condition. This scanner can save you time and stress. Check the price link in the description to learn more about the Launch CR629 OBD2 Automotive Scanner. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.